My name is Lee Wilks. I'm a member of the Gospel Music Training Center Lifetime Membership Program. I've been a member of the Gospel Music Training Center for about 5 years, but I was offered this opportunity to become a lifetime member, which was a no-brainer for me because I love gospel music and I love learning and I love the piano. The piano is my favorite instrument, so I'm not going to take a whole lot of time, but I appreciate this offer that I was given. Um, I'm just going to play a little bit of what I've learned because I've learned so much about chords and chord arrangements and how to form them and the 2-5-1, which is foundational in gospel music. And I just love to play. I love to hear other musicians also. Jermaine Griggs is a awesome musician, and Jonathan Powell is my favorite musician there. But don't get too upset, other guys, because y'all are excellent instructors with the Gospel Music Training Center. So I'm just going to play a little bit of this 2-5-1 chord progression that I've learned in every key, and I'm going to get on out of here. Thank you so much for watching. That's the 2-5-1 chord progression in all 12 keys, which I learned that. Sound pretty good to me. Here's another one that I like, and Dottie McClurkin used this a lot in his song. Uh, it's Walk Up. That's the Walk Up. I love this arrangement by Fred Hammond. It's a walk down. It's a 1-7-6-5-4-3-2 walk.